Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Black Shark Pad 7 and let me share with you how to enable the Google Backup on this device. Alright, so in this method I'll show you how to enable the Google Backup if you've got your Google account currently added to your device. If you do not have one, you can do it simply after entering this backup section, or if you want to, you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. I've just recorded it. So this is the first thing you need to be aware of, and the second one is that you need to be connected with the internet. So just make sure that you've got the connection. And now we can finally open the settings. So here in this left section, we need to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system, so the three dots icon, and then scroll and find backup. So if you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will see the option Add Account. So simply tap on it and proceed with the next steps. Eventually you will see something like that. So what we need to do is to simply tap on Turn On, and your device will ask you what kind of data you'd like to back up, so photos and videos or other device data, or both, of course, it's up to you. I'll pick only this one and tap on Confirm. As you can see, everything is almost everything is green. If you want to, you can tap on other device data here, and you can check the details about your account. For example, how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so remove some unnecessary files if you want to. Here you've got the backup data, so you can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings. And I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you can avoid some charges, so just ignore this option. Alright, so to finish everything, we need to get back to the previous option and tap on Backup Now. And now your device is backing up the data. As you can see here, you've got this information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.